Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to increase and decrease stitches. So, we are crocheting and we need to add one stitch. In one stitch, we crochet 2 single crochet, 1, 2. We got 2 stitches from one stitch. We made an increase. To decrease the stitches, we pull the yarn through one stitch and crochet single crochet in the next stitch. So we got one stitch from 2 stitches. We made an increase. Increases and decreases in the first and last stitches in the row are less noticeable. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.